If you use the iPhone Mail app, I've seen it regularly taking up gigabytes worth of space on your iPhone. It tends to be a big culprit in using up a lot of space as you get more and more emails and attachments, etc. Let's clear the cache for that Mail app so that you can free up space on your phone. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on General, midway down. Tap on iPhone Storage, again midway down. Let's scroll down to find the Mail app. Here it is in my case. Just tap on it and you can see the app size is only 8 megabytes, but the documented data is taking up 1.5 gigabytes worth of data. This is all of the cache and logs and the saved attachments onto my iPhone, but they're all on the server as well. So let's free up that. The first option to be able to do that is on the Mail app, press and hold on the app, tap on Remove App, and then tap Delete App. And now you can see select another Mail app, but in this case, I'm just going to hit Cancel. And you can see if I wanted to select another one, I can go through that. It looks like it's going to make me do that. So I can always go to the settings and choose a different mail app like Gmail. Now, after you go through the process of deleting this, and you might need to go through and select a different mail app. There we go. It should now finally let me delete it. All you need to do then is go to the App Store and reinstall it. So tap on the App Store, tap on Search, and we're just going to search for Mail. And just reinstall that app. There it is. Just tap on Reinstall. Now, the nice thing is when you delete this app and then reinstall it, it doesn't remove your email accounts on your iPhone. They're still on there. But by deleting the app and reinstalling it, it helps to clear the cache for that app. So now all I need to do is find that Mail app there, and there it is. I can press and hold and then just drag it over back to where it was before. Now another option you have to help to clear up that cache is to tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. Let's go back to setting the default app as the Mail app, and then go back out of here. From here, scroll to the bottom. Tap on Apps at the bottom, and then scroll down until you find the Mail app on this list. So once you get to the M section, tap on Mail, and then tap on Mail Accounts. Now, on any of these that you have synced up with your Mail account, all you need to do is tap on it and tap Delete Account and delete from this iPhone. Keep in mind, this doesn't delete any of your emails or attachments because they're all still stored in the server itself. So just go through, and if it is getting significantly larger than you would like, just go through and delete the account from your iPhone Mail app, and then just go through and hit Add an Account and add it right back in just by entering your email address. This will delete out all of the cached files associated with this specific app. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.